Hello students, let us see English chapter 2.7 Great Scientist. Great scientists are persevering and never deterred by difficulties. A proverb by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. The passage is about great scientists who were patient and persevering and not let difficulties stop them from making important discoveries. One of them is Michael Faraday. He is regarded as one of the most famous and inventors of modern times. His work on electricity in the form of Faraday's law is a subject of study. Let us see his inspirational life story, which is all about courage and fighting about the odds. Michael Faraday was born into a poverty stricken family in a dirty London suburb. He suffered from a speech defect as a child. Other children laughed at him, and the teachers did not help him either. When he was 12, his mother took him out of the school. Thus, his formal education ended. At the age of 13, he started working with a bookbinder. There he used to read these books. Reading thus became his obsession. One day, he came across a book on electricity. That was his first introduction to the subject of electricity. At the age of 21, Faraday was still poor. Faraday's friend knew about his fascination for the subject of electricity. So he gave him a free ticket to Davy's program. The subject of Davy's lecture was the mysterious force of electric. Faraday was spellbound by Davy's lecture. He kept taking notes during the lecture. He bound his notes into a book to gift it to Davy. He tried to make Davy his mentor. A few days later, a chemical explosion took place in Davy's lab and he was temporarily blinded. He now needed an assistant with an excellent memory to help him. He was reminded of Faraday's capabilities and decided to hire him as his secretary. Faraday was persistent in his efforts. He worked day and night and learnt as much as he could about Davy's experiment. He was promoted and became a lab assistant. And even though much of his job now was just cleaning labs, but he was not discouraged or frustrated. He was happy that he was still getting a chance to see Davy's leading experiment. One day, Davy tried to recreate a famous electromagnetism experiment with the fellow chemist William Wollaston, exploring why, when an electric current is applied to a wire, it causes that wire to behave like a magnet. The forces were connected, but nobody had figured out how to make it happen continuously. He then teased Faraday, asking him to try his hand as it after he was done cleaning the lab. Within a few days, Faraday solved the problem. In fact, he went further and the result was the first induction motor, which converted electrical current into a continuous mechanical motion. The induction motor spurred a revolution. Fans, air conditioning, sewing machines, photographs, power tools, cars, and even trains and aeroplanes engines grew out of this simple device, which was born out of mockery directed at Faraday. Faraday became a celebrity scientist overnight. People started telling Davy that all of his discoveries, the best was Faraday himself. This made him even more jealous. In the next session, we will see the remaining part.